Hi, this is Francis from Easel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how you can check your homing switches in Easel. And it's a relatively simple thing, but I just kind of wanted to walk through it because it's something that we see a lot and a question we get asked quite frequently in the technical support department. And it's a really kind of simple way to check, make sure your homing switches are working, make sure everything's functioning as it should. So the first thing you'll do is go to an Easel project, make sure your machine is connected, and you'll see the green carve button if it is connected. And then go up to Machine at the top of the page. You'll get that drop-down menu, and one of the options will be Machine Inspector. And here, this will open up a window, and you'll be able to see your machine position and your work position. And then right below that, you'll see check statuses of your homing switches, and you'll see a green or a white circle for X, Y, and Z. And so what you can do is if you go and manually press one of the switches on your machine, and that you just go and physically press the switch, let's say it's the x-axis, when the switch is functioning correctly and you press the x-axis switch, this will turn green. This circle will turn green, meaning the switch is working. If you're pressing your switch and it doesn't work or it doesn't turn green, then that means that there might be an issue with the switch. We'd recommend by just checking your wiring, making sure that that's working okay. And that's essentially how you check your homing switches are working in Easel. Have a wonderful day.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.